Welcome to ASIATOOLS production floor. Let us show you how mold steel moves through our production line, from raw material cutting to finished precision blocks. We use good high-speed circular saw to precisely cut metal materials of various sizes, ensuring clean, burr-free cuts. With good a double-sided milling machine, for sides milled in one pass, for consistent quality. Our CNC vertical milling machine delivers mirror-like finish, with guaranteed flatness. Our CNC grinding process controls workpiece thickness and flatness, within tight tolerances. Each workpiece is chamfered for a refined finish and safety. We conduct multiple checks throughout the process to prevent defect and ensure every product meets order specifications. Our custom packaging ensures your products arrive in perfect condition. We ensure a seamless process, from processing to final delivery, built on precision, speed, and reliability.